Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin inside your document. First actionable step, click View in the top menu. Once done, choose Pageless from the Layout submenu. This switches the canvas to a continuous, infinite scroll format so you no longer see page breaks. Make sure your collaborators know you changed layout because headers, footers, and traditional page measurements behave differently. While still in view, confirm spacing and ruler visibility, so placement and alignment remain predictable after the layout switch. Once the document is pageless, inspect all images, tables, and sections that previously relied on page width. Resize or constrain elements to a maximum width so they don't create awkward horizontal scrolling. Use the right-click menu and image options to set exact pixel or percent widths. Also, rework headers and section dividers because they float in the flow. Convert page number references to inline labels where necessary. Make sure to verify lists and footnotes visually, since they may shift in the continuous layout. To finish, preview the document using print or download as PDF to confirm how the pageless layout appears when exported. Some exports reintroduce page breaks, so verify pagination. If something goes wrong, revert quickly using View Pageless to toggle back to paged layout, then adjust offending elements like wide tables or fixed position images. Finally, inform collaborators about the change and, if needed, lock or standardize critical styles to prevent unintended shifts when others edit the document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.